So we started the hack night at 2 p.m. So right now it's 7 p.m. So let's go to the participants and see what they have been up to. Let's go. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Can you introduce yourself and tell us what you're up to?
Yeah, I'm Sunanda Sir. Presently, actually, I'm trying to solve the email parsing issue. It's a travel app.
Okay.
So, suppose you have booked a ticket in Yatra or Make My Trip. So, you will forward your mail to us. So, we will parse that email and show you an itinerary in an app which we are creating. So, your name, from where to your, we are going, suppose Bangalore to Delhi, then the time. Okay, all these details it will be shown in a clear format in the itinerary. So this is all about this app. So I'm trying to figure out the email parsing issue at this point of time.
So
Cool.
when did you start?
At around 3:30 or 4 we have started.
And where are you at?
Still figuring out the things. So let's see how things work out.
Sure, all the best.
Good luck.
Thanks.
So tell me about your session. How did it go? So introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Bhaskar from Mobstack. My session, well, we had like 4 people, so
Okay.
but it was good. I mean, I talked about what we do, and at Mobstack we picked the hybrid app strategy instead of directly going for the native apps. I talked about why we picked that and what are the pros and cons of using hybrid apps compared to native apps. Like for Facebook, it didn't really work because so I think it depends a lot on what is the app required to do. Like LinkedIn is very successfully doing the hybrid apps thingy, but Facebook could not because I think the level of interaction required on the Facebook app is so much more, and HTML5 is not quite there yet.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Cool.
all right, thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, introduce yourself.
So my name is Somit. I made a small app which converts rupee into dollar.
Isn't this the one that's given us some basic tutorial to everyone?
Yeah, this was the same thing, but
Okay.
so I liked it actually. So this is the first experience of making an Android app,
Okay.
and so we are making an app of Vedic mathematics in which they can. It's basically for students
Okay.
who want to learn maths very fast and shortcuts.
Okay.
You can use that app, and you can use it to learn shortcuts very fast. So there will be multiple options. You can select, like if you want to multiply, you can click multiply, and it will show you step by step how to do it. So that's a very friendly user experience. That's all.
Cool.
Are you working alone?
No, three people. The Harshit. Yeah.
We are going to another room. This is supposed to be HasGeek studio room. Let's see how many people are out here. Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, tell us about yourself and say what you've been working on so far.
Yeah, I am Kishore. I am from Mobile Computing Labs.
Okay.
And I have been working on an app which is meant for kids. It's an entertainment as well as an education app. Very basic level for kids who want to learn right from alphabets, English alphabets. We first give them all the tutorial kind of thing. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, and then we give them a set of quiz. And the fun part is they see very interactive visuals, those slides coming up, going off, the pop-ups, the animation kind of thing. That makes our app distinguishing.
Okay, so you four are working
Yeah,
together?
we do both of them.
Okay.
I'm Sarana Rajan.
Okay.
I'm doing the alphabets and he's doing the numbers. We are separating ourselves.
Okay. Hi.
So I'm Lakshman from Litlai Labs.
Okay.
We are trying to build a basic Android app that is a medicine reminder service.
Okay.
But what we are trying to make it is, make it super user friendly, super friendly to the users, right? By making it rather than making it a simple calendar app.
Okay.
And Satyam was.
I am along with Lakshman.
Okay. So you started working on the app or you're ready to begin?
Just learning.
Okay, cool. So this is the first time you're exploring Android?
We've done some basic programming on Android before, but this is nothing more than hello worlds.
Okay. And see
So
you
how
soon.
far do you expect to go tonight?
We want to at least get the basic use case dummy done.
Brilliant. Good luck.
Thanks.
Yeah. Here is our Pratul. Hey, tell me what you have been doing so far. How is it going?
Going fine.
Okay. What's the plan for the day?
Build a Android app.
Everybody is here to build an Android app, right?
Huh?
Everybody is here to build an Android app, right?
I don't know. I am here to build Android app.
Okay.
What app are you building?
Starting to work on it in a while.
Can you reveal any secret?
Nope. I'm working on something that I'm not supposed to talk about.
Okay.
That's a secret.
So what about you? Introduce yourself.
Hi,
I'm
secret?
Himanshu. I'm Himanshu. Right now I'm working on my own room that I work with a team for. So we're just planning to do a release today, so we're just finishing up the final release parts. And after that I'm probably going to help Pratul with his app.
Okay.
Oh, so you share his secret?
Yes.
Can you tell us a bit about his secret?
No, that depends. I don't have permission. I did sign
Oh, alright.
I did sign an NDA with him when I came here.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey. Introduce yourself and tell us what you have been working so far. What is the plan for the day?
My name is Biman Patil, so I'm working on Telephony Manager right now.
Okay.
So plan for the day is build an SMS receiving app, remote SMS receiving app. That's it, I'm focused to. That's it.
Okay. You started working on that?
Yeah, almost. I will be finishing in 3 to 4 hours.
Oh, then what will you do for the rest of the day?
I'll plan for new features to add over that.
Cool. See you soon.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Hari. You know, he's been volunteering for lots of our AskGeek events, and he's a super cool person who knows to handle the camera. Let's hear something from him. Yeah, go ahead, Hari.
Okay, I'm just learning fragments. Android started fragments from 3.0 onwards. Previously, I worked at a company called Arthur. From there, I got some idea about Android development. But I was working on Android 2.2, so now I'm learning these fragments by making an app. And soon we'll finish it.
Okay.
Okay.
So, tell us what you've been working on, what you're thinking, how people are around you.
Nothing actually. So normally I use Android API to make native apps. Like this time I wanted to know what Titanium is picking up momentum. So I wanted to read up and see what Titanium is all about and try and see if I can build an app through Titanium.
Okay.
I wanted to compare how it look
Cool.
compared to Android native
So,
development.
so you expect to develop any apps at the end of the day, or just find the comparisons?
Just experiment and see
Cool.
if an app gets developed, it's a byproduct. It's
Okay.
just to see what I could, it's just to compare the two platforms.
Nice. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. So introduce yourself and tell us what you've been working so far and what is the plan
I'm
for the hacking.
Srinivasan Ganti.
Okay.
I'm working on SMS based app. This is our team. We are co-located and then we are seriously developing.
Okay.
He's Jarvis, and then he's Sindhir.
Okay.
Did you guys meet here or did you know each other from the phone?
We both know each other and we met him here.
Alright.
Cool. See you soon. Hi. Introduce yourself and tell us what you've been doing so far. What is the plan for the Hack Night?
Yeah, my name is Santosh. I'm part of the team this guy is the lead for the team, so he'll explain about what we're doing.
Okay.
I am Anand. So we are doing a project called Droid Juice.
Okay.
So we are aiming to actually map the battery performance details to a public URL, and we are also planning to expose APIs where others can build on top of it.
Cool. So you got this idea today, or it's been like
couple of days back?
Yeah, a couple of days back, and thinking through it, and today it's finalized.
So you both are working, or
Yeah, it's
you four?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we also belong to the juices of.
Pardon?
We also belong to the juices of Android.
Okay.
Dry juice. And
Okay.
Yeah, we are.
See you soon.
Yeah. My name is Jagdish.
Okay.
We are trying to create one app. Okay. Hari.
So our team is MMAD.
Okay.
So what we are doing is.
What does MMAD stand for?
It's our company.
Okay.
So what we are doing is ticket, like you have an events. So
for that you need the registration, you need tickets in paper, and you need to scan the ticket. So we are removing all this paperwork. So everything will be from the phone. You need scanner, so it will scan. Before that, while you're registering, it will send all the QR codes to the recipient. So it's seamless. That's what we are trying to do.
So it's all of you together?
Yeah.
So to introduce yourself and tell us what you've been doing and what is the plan for the Hack Night.
Okay, so I'm Sudeep Agarwal. I work at DirectIE as developer of operations. I am a web geek. I like working on web designing and everything on web. And I'm new to Android. I want to learn Android.
Okay.
So I'm here at DroidCon Hack Night. I came up with this idea last night where you can sell spare tickets that you own on the internet to people. So I have this awesome team. And I don't know Android.
Okay, so
I
these-
like everything. And let's see how it turns up tomorrow.
Okay. So you got features what are to be implemented for tonight?
Yeah, we have responsibilities. We have divided the responsibilities. I am making the server side. These guys are in the app side.
Okay.
So my server side is more or less ready. I just have to do more experimenting with some.
Can you tell
database
something
stuff.
about your server side? What is stack looks like?
So I am using AWS and Node.js. So AWS will have a public IP, so that is okay for an app. So an app will just post a JSON to AWS server running on AWS. The Node server will listen to the JSON, read the JSON, and pass it and fetch it, push it to the MySQL, and depending on the requests and stuff. Very simple, basic app. Put the tickets that you have, and you can search it. Let's see.
Cool.